Love. It's one of the most powerful forces in the universe, a force that can inspire, heal, and transform us. But for many, finding the love of your life can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. What if I told you that attracting the love of your life isn't about luck or chance, but about intention, self-discovery, and alignment? Today, we're diving into the secrets of attracting the love of your life, the kind of love that feels like home, that lifts you up, that makes you feel seen, valued, and cherished. This isn't about playing games or following rules. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and creating the space for love to flourish. Before you can attract the love of your life, you need to know yourself. I mean, really know yourself. What are your values? Your passions? Your non-negotiables? What kind of life do you want to build? And what kind of partner do you want to build it with? Self-awareness is the foundation of any healthy relationship. When you know who you are and what you want, you're less likely to settle for someone who doesn't align with your vision for your life. You're also more likely to attract someone who truly sees and appreciates you for who you are. Take the time to get clear on what you want in a partner and a relationship. Write it down, visualize it, and most importantly, believe that it's possible. Because when you're clear on what you want, you'll naturally start to attract it. Remember, the love of your life isn't just someone who completes you. There's someone who complements you. And to find that person, you first need to be whole on your own. Have you ever noticed how some people just seem to attract love effortlessly? It's not because they're luckier or more attractive. It's because they radiate positive energy. And positive energy is like a magnet for love. When you're happy, confident, and kind, people are naturally drawn to you. They want to be around you, to get to know you, to be a part of your life. And that includes the love of your life. So how do you cultivate that energy? Start by focusing on the things that bring you joy. Spend time with people who uplift you. Practice gratitude. Take care of your body and mind. And most importantly, be kind to yourself and to others. When you radiate positive energy, you become a beacon for love, and the love of your life won't be able to resist you. One of the biggest barriers to attracting love is fear. Fear of rejection, fear of vulnerability, fear of getting hurt. But here's the thing, love requires vulnerability. It requires you to be open, to be authentic, to let someone see the real you. When you're open and authentic, you give others permission to do the same. You create a space for deep, meaningful connection. And that's where true love thrives. So don't be afraid to show up as your true self. Share your passions, your dreams, your fears. Be honest about what you want and need in a relationship. Because the love of your life isn't looking for a perfect person. They're looking for a real person. And when you find someone who loves you for who you truly are, you'll know it's worth every moment of vulnerability. Attracting the love of your life isn't just about mindset, it's also about action. You can't just sit back and wait for love to find you. You have to put yourself out there to take inspired action to create opportunities for connection. Inspired action means doing things that align with your values and desires. It means saying yes to new experiences, to meeting new people, to stepping outside of your comfort zone. So ask yourself, where can I meet people who share my interests and values? What activities or events can I participate in that align with the kind of life I want to live? And most importantly, am I willing to take the first step? Remember, the love of your life is out there, but they won't find you if you're hiding. So take inspired action and trust that the universe will meet you halfway. Finally, trust the process. Attracting the love of your life isn't something that happens overnight. It's a journey of self-discovery, growth, and alignment. There will be moments of doubt, of frustration, of impatience. But trust that everything is happening exactly as it should. Trust that every experience, every relationship, every lesson is bringing you closer to the love of your life. So be patient, be open, be kind to yourself, and most importantly, believe that the love of your life is out there, waiting for you just as eagerly as you're waiting for them. Because when the time is right, when you're ready, and when the universe aligns, you'll find each other, and it will be worth the wait. Attracting the love of your life isn't about changing who you are. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. It's about knowing yourself, radiating positive energy, being open and authentic, taking inspired action, and trusting the process.